I didn't mean that. I see that.
Wanna play with me, you know I'm undefeated. A real hot girl know how to keep a nigga heated. You say you won't respect, won't treat me how you wanna be treated. You told me to keep it real, but you don't practice what you preaching. You want me to blow your phone up and come and looking for you till I...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite nurse MUA and YouTuber. I'm back with a new video, a wig installation. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So here I'm showing you guys the hair. The hair is from the Chocolate Hair Factory here in Jamaica, and these are the items that you'll need. First, we're starting off by bleaching the hair. We're using the bleaching powder, a bowl, and the mixing applicator, I'm gonna call it, guys. So ensure that and we're using 40 volume developer. If you have 30, use it because it creates less room for mistakes. So ensure that the consistency is thick, like toothpaste thick, and then you're going to gently pat that into the lace. You don't want to be too harsh, because if you are too harsh or if you are heavy-handed, sometimes you will push that bleach through the lace and it will bleach the hair on the other side of the lace. So you don't want that. Gently swipe the bleach over the lace and apply that to the entire lace front of the wig. Here I'm showing you guys what exactly you should be looking for. So the knots should appear orange yellow, should appear as an orange yellow color. That's when you know that it is ready to be rinsed off. You're going to use your purple shampoo and leave it on the hair for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and freeze spray the hairline of the client to ensure that you're pushing back those baby hairs to get them out of the way and ready for the ball cap method. You can blow dry it, or you can allow it to sit and dry if you have the time. If you are, on a time constraint, you use the blow dryer to get those edges flat. I'm using a beige cap today. As you can see, I'm applying it on the client's head. Ensure to stretch it out as far as possible so that you can get the flattest install. Cover your eyes, your nose, as far as you can get it to be. Okay, so we're going to cut out the ear tabs, make a small incision in the ears at the ear part, and then you gently pull that over the client's ears and stretch it out. Ensure that it's comfortable for them. We're going to use the Got2b glue, black tube glue today, styling gel today, and we're applying that on the lace nearest to the hairline. Do not go too far in front of the hairline. You don't want that. As close to the hairline as possible. Apply it with the applicator. I do not recommend using your fingers. Allow that to dry, or you can blow dry it. If you have a dryer, you can ask your client to sit underneath the dryer as well. Here I'm showing you guys that you need to glue down the ear part as well. That's a necessity, right? We're going to add some freeze spray over that styling gel and allow that to dry once more. So you're going to add the makeup that matches your client to the stocking cap. If you do not have the exact shade, it's better for you to go darker, a slightly bit darker than lighter. It blends better. Do not go lighter. Try to get the shade to match the client as best as possible. Do not use foundations that are has a lot of water content. Try to use powders or cream products like the Ruby Kisses foundation. Just stay away from water content products that has a lot of water content. It will lift the lace. All right, so we're just cutting off the stocking cap with a small, the tiniest scissors that you guys can find. It makes your life easier. Just cut around the perimeter of the head and remove that excess cap before you apply any more glue. Take it as far back as you need as possible. As you can see, we're going to try on the wig to ensure that the cap is not showing, and then recut. Here I'm showing you how exactly you should cut off the ear tabs. So you're going to make a part right where the client's ear is, where it starts or where it stops. You know, flip the ear over, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So you're cutting the lace at an angle, and you're just going around until you have no more lace, if that makes sense. So you're just cutting it at an angle, and ensure that you get everything off and it fits the client's head properly. So here I already applied my styling gel, and I'm now going over with the free spray and laying that lace down. So now we're going to cut off the excess lace in the front. Be sure, you see how I'm moving my hands, guys, in this in and out motion? Be sure that you're doing that, because we do not want a straight cut right across. We don't want that straight boy hairline, no. We want a jagged hairline so that the lace can melt as best as possible. Do this for the entire lace right around. Here, after you have tied down the lace for about 30 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on how long, I flat ironed my client's hair in between, so it was on there for a while. We're going to lift up those baby hairs that are basically stuck to her face because of the got to be spray with a comb or your fingers, and then we're going to use a spoolie and the black tube got to be glue styling gel and just frame her edges. If you have mousse, you can do that, but we didn't at the moment. This install was kind of unplanned. I'm just showing you guys how to do the edges, you know, the swoop to the dupes. Yes, guys, this takes practice. I'm not going to tell that it's going to come overnight. You just need to take practice. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to make these edges, then I can do that for you guys.
Wanna play with me, you know I'm undefeated. A real hot girl, know how to keep a nigga heated. You say you won't respect, well treat me how.
This is the final product. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned to my channel for the next videos, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye, loves. Mwah.